Hey there everyone, in this 45th video of FreeCAD series, I will be talking about how you can create offset in sketch mode. I would say sometimes offset play a very important role, especially when you want to create offset of a complex shape. So let's see how we can do that. For that, simply you need to be in part design, and then I'm gonna open either the sketch that I already have plotted, or here in this particular case, I am opening or trying to create a new sketch here. And let's say if I would like to create offset of this hexagon, and it is pretty straightforward. So I just created this shape. Now what I'm gonna do next is I am going to select the shape, and let's do that by clicking on model, sketch, and then let's click on offset. And there we go. So here you can see how easy it is to create offset. All you need to do is you need to select the entity and then need to click on offset. Let me do it again. I'm selecting the entity and then I am clicking on offset, and that's how we can offset our geometry. I hope guys you find this video helpful, informational, and if you want to follow the entire FreeCAD series, then do check out Engineering Pritam, where of course you're gonna get the entire FreeCAD course. Additional to this, you're gonna also see several other engineering topics and courses available in Engineering Pritam for free. So be sure to subscribe to our channel, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.